When buyers start their search for a new home, they often focus on the obvious things: how many bedrooms there are, how big the kitchen is, or what the asking price might be. But for many buyers today, the property itself is only part of the decision. What really matters is the lifestyle that comes with the location. People are thinking about what everyday life will actually feel like there. Is there a park nearby for a morning walk? Is there a good cafe for a weekend coffee? Are there local shops you can walk to rather than drive? For families, it might be schools, playgrounds, and a strong sense of community. For others, it could simply be green space, good walking routes, or an area with a bit of character. And with many people working from home, the lifestyle element has become even more important. If you're spending more time where you live, the area around your home really starts to matter. So when buyers look for a home, they're not just choosing the property, they're choosing the life that comes with it.